So I'm going to be talking about language, which is chapter 4 in Corey Floyd's Communication Matters. I'm going to be talking about some language rules, mainly the four that Corey Floyd describes in the book. So the first one is phonological rules. So these are rules that pertain to how words are to be pronounced in any given language. So in the English language, this is supposed to be pronounced chocolate, but in Spanish, you pronounce every letter, so it would say chocolate. In English, the word here is kernel, but to someone that doesn't speak the language and doesn't understand the rules of the pronunciation, this is a very confusing word, mainly because it's borrowed from the French. The second rule is syntactic rules. These are rules that pertain to grammar and sentence structure. So for instance, in Spanish we could say corre el perro negro, which is grammatically correct. But if we were to literally translate this phrase or sentence to English, it would translate to run the dog black, which doesn't really make any grammatical sense, but you still kind of get the idea of what is trying to be said. So in this sentence, run the dog black, you would probably rearrange the words to say the black dog runs.